Hi everyone, today we have this platform called Tagembed and this is the best social media aggregator. So before we dive in, there's a link in the description of this video that you can access to get extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards onto this platform. So make sure to give a try to that one. Now here you can see we are currently on its dashboard and we can see our first widget. You can also moderate, rename this, and also enable real time. So if you click on open, you will be directed towards another section, and just wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up. So first of all, what we are going to be needing here is we are going to be picking a source. Now of course this is a social media aggregator platform. You are going to be needing a social media platform to initiate. Like for example, if you go with Instagram, it is going to be creating a feed and then embed a widget. So something that is really nice to offer if you have a good social media business or stuff like that. Now you have various other sources as well, like for example your Google review, you have your Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, and much more. So on the left side of your screen you can see your dashboard, your feeds, and your personalized section. If you head over to there, you can see you have your themes. You can choose through different themes, backgrounds, whether you want to keep it transparent, colored, or even in the banner you can see your design, your banner, card style, theme settings, and much more. So it have various different control settings. Once you are satisfied, click on apply settings. You can see your card styles. So if you want to customize your cards, you can do that in here. You also have your settings and your filler and moderation. So if you head over to that, you can see you can create your auto moderation. Click on this and it will be asking you for a couple of questions, like for example, you have your create rules and manage rules and various other things as well. So yeah, make sure to give it a try, and for some reason if you are still unsure about the platform, on G2 you can see official reviews by different users. They are saying what they are saying, basically a great platform for drive engagement with UGC on your website. They came to the rescue, great social widget tool, and much more. So thank you so much for watching. You can head over to the link in the description to simply access the site and get yourself your exclusive benefits and rewards, also extended free trial. So make sure to give a try to that one. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.